If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time we drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
Before pregnancy, apart from the tests and everything that I told, which have to be done pre-conception by both the partners, we advise them pre-conception test, and we advise them folic acid, which is a drug which helps them to avoid
It's a tablet?
Yes.
Okay.
3 months before conception,
Alright.
which will help them to avoid congenital anomalies in the baby.
Okay.
Okay.
But not just the internal part of it, but also physically, what should the couples
yes.
do?
I was just coming to it. This is the scientific
Okay.
part of it, and other than that, being physically and mentally fit, and the way you said, financially fit is most important.
Yes,
So they need to
definitely.
take care about their fitness. Obese women, we ask them to lose
Lose
weight
weight,
because
okay.
we want them to they're going to put on 10 to 12 kgs during the pregnancy.
Anyways.
So if the pre-pregnant weight is 100,
Right.
so again that weight gain, which is going to cause
becomes
problems.
very difficult.
Very difficult. Very difficult.
So for obese women, when you tell them that to lose weight, so you check their BMI, body mass index,
Yes,
for the same?
Yes, we check their BMI. We advise them to go to a nutritionist. We
Right.
advise them to have a diet plan,
Right.
and they come so that they come. We do certain basic tests to check that they are diabetics. Why that weight
Right.
gain? So
There
that
has
it
to be a
helps.
reason for
Yes.
it. But even PCOD and PCOS women gain weight. So in order to conceive, they also need to lose
There
weight.
are medications
Right.
like metformin,
Right.
which help them to reduce weight,
Oh, okay. Just for this.
to maintain their
Right.
glucose levels
Right.
in the
Because
body.
even if someone doesn't eat a lot but still has PCOD, they tend to gain a lot of weight. So this.
So
this will
there
help.
are medications which
Right.
help to stabilize these hormones also.
Right. All right. What type of exercise can I safely do during pregnancy?
See, we do not advise. First is, if your doctor has advised you bed rest,
Right.
there's no way we can exercise, because if you are bleeding or we feel that there are chances of abortion,
Right.
then we advise them rest. Or she's in severe PIH, means her blood pressure is high during
Okay.
pregnancy. These are the conditions where we advise rest, then they
Bed
cannot
rest,
exercise.
okay.
But if the pregnancy is going smoothly and your doctor has advised you to carry on your daily activities, yes, you can do exercises which are not very vigorous,
Okay.
like heavy weights.
Right.
That's
They
not,
can go for walks
Yes.
and.
yoga.
Yoga,
walks is something that is going to help them.
Right. All right.
Especially yoga.
Yeah. And we used to get a lot of questions. Can they do swimming if someone's pregnant?
Yes, they can swim too.
What about the chlorine? Is that a problem for the baby?
Yes, too much of exposure to chlorine,
Right.
but you're not going to. It's
Yeah,
not going to
but-
go inside your
right,
system,
yeah,
so
but
it's
still.
not a
Okay.
big issue.
All right.
But yes, swimming
Is doable. Like they
yes,
can do it.
yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Doctor,
Most
for answering
welcome,
all our
Jennifer.
questions. We'll see you next time. And until then, stay tuned and stay glamorous.